The diagram shows a six-sided shape. All the corners are right angles. All the measurements are given in centimetres. The area of the shape is 85 centimetres squared, so show that 9x squared minus 7x minus 85 equals 0. So basically our shape consists of two rectangles. So I'm going to draw a line down here. I'm going to work out the area of both rectangles. We'll call them rectangle A and rectangle B, and then simplify and set it equal to 85. So we've got 3x times 2x minus 1, 2x minus 7, sorry, plus 3x plus 4 times x. That's the area of our shape, and we know that that's equal to 85. So I just need to do my simplifications to show we get the final answer. So we've got 6x squared minus 3x times minus 7 is 21x plus 3x squared plus 4x, sorry, plus 12x, should I say? Just show you where that's come from. So 3x times x, x squared, 3x, so 4 times x. In fact, I've corrected myself well there, so let's just change this to 4x. If I'd carried on, I would have seen it wouldn't have come to the right answer, but I've spotted that. So equals 85. So what have we got then? We've got in x squared, 6x squared and 3x squared. That gives us what we want, 9x squared. And we've got minus 21x plus 4x gives me the minus 17x. And as I say, that carried on with my error. I would have realised it was wrong because it wouldn't have come to minus 17x. Now we've got 85, so we'll bring the 85 over to the left side of the equal sign, and therefore it will be equal to 0 as required. So that's the answer to part A. So, second part of the question, we've got to solve 9x squared minus 17x minus 85 equals 0. We'll use the quadratic formula, which I can get from the front of the exam book. So we just need to identify A, B and C correctly. So A is 9, B is minus 17, and C is minus 85. So if we put that into the formula, we can have minus 17, which gives me 17. Two solutions come from the fact that the square root of any number has a plus and minus answer. We're squaring b, so we can ignore the minus. It will cancel itself out in the squaring process. Then we've got minus 4ac. Now notice you've got a minus here and a minus on the c, so that will give me a plus in the middle. So minus 4a being 9 and c being 85. And again, remember the two minuses cancel out. All over 2 times 9. Okay, so now I just have to slot this into the calculator to get the answers. So you can see that I've inserted both the plus and the minus solution in. I'm showing you exactly what you need to put into your calculator. It can all be done in one go if you use brackets. And to three significant figures then, our two solutions are 3.72, that's from the plus solution, and that's making sure that we take account of the 5, rounding up the 1, and then we've got minus 2.7, and again that 5 rounds up the 1, so minus 2.72 is the second answer. So that's your solutions. So hence, work out the length of the shorter side of the six-sided shape. Well, we can only take positive lengths, so 3.72, well, it's not going to be 3 times 3.72 or 3 times 3.72 plus 4, so it's going to be 2x minus 7 or x. So is 2x minus 7 smaller than x? And you'll find out it is if we do 2 times 3.72 and then subtract 7 when we get the answer. So we get 7.44 minus 7. So the smallest side is 0.44.